If I had to guess what breathing technique is the most well known, I'd likely say it's box breathing, made famous by yogis and Navy SEALs alike. I'd speculate, however, that most people don't know how or why it works. So today, I'll guide you through 3 minutes of the practice, giving you the chance to feel it for yourself. And then if you want to stick around for just a few minutes, I'll shed some light on the whats, the whys, and the hows of box breathing. So in a moment, I'll offer you to close your eyes. If you prefer to do this, I'll continue to talk the whole time so you can simply listen to my voice. If you'd rather not close your eyes, you'll see an animation on the screen that you can follow along with at the same time. Wherever you are, whatever you choose to do, I recommend that you sit down for this one. And to make sure you can sit up nice and comfortably tall, but you're not trying so hard to be tall that your body's really stiff. And then go ahead, and if you're choosing to do so, close your eyes or keep your eyes open. Take a soft breath in and out through your nose if you can, but use your mouth if you have to. And take a breath in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out slowly. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath out. 2, 3, 4. That's one round. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Stay empty. Relax. 3, 4. Keep it going. Inhale. 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in nice and gently. Hold your breath. Exhale softly, make it last. 2, 3, 4. Hold on empty and relax into this bit. 3, 4. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And hold. Start to draw a box in your mind. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold, draw the second line. Exhale, draw the third line. And hold, complete the box. Keep tracing those lines. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And hold. Inhale. Hold, this is the last one. Exhale. Stay empty. 2, 3, 4. Finish with a nice full breath in. Hold your breath. Relax. And breathe out. Although the perceived experience may be different between each of us, physiologically the effects are very likely to be similar. As you inhale, you take in a nice fulfilling amount of air, slowly and steadily. This is good. Breathing is always good, don't stop doing that. Free advice for you. Beneath the surface, and a little less well known, is that your nervous system is getting signals of activity, movement, focus. Think, get ready, something is about to happen. That's why you might have felt a little buzz at that moment in your fingers, toes, face, or skin. The hold at the top, well, now we're really getting to the good stuff. Your body is absorbing the oxygen you've breathed in, it's getting sent around to your brain, your organs, your muscles, your cells. Because we're holding the breath, we've given the body enough time to actually do this, and this isn't always the case in often seen modern day rapid and shallow breathing. Now it's time for the slow and gentle exhale, releasing the built up carbon dioxide from the oxygen being burned and used up in our body. Too much carbon dioxide will always at some point make us feel stressed, almost like we're suffocating. It's worth noting the amount is different for everyone, and importantly can be trained using this technique regularly over time. As we release the held breath, we send signals of calm, safety and rest to our nervous system. Have you ever noticed how stress seems to dissolve away when you take a nice breath out? That's exactly why. And lastly, the hold on empty-ish. Often this is the most challenging part for people. For me, this was impossible for a long time. It can take you from calm to panic in a split second, and if you hold it just a little too long, as the carbon dioxide builds up in your body, the alarm bell starts to ring. Breathe, 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 and so we do. With the increased CO2 from the exhale hold, we now absorb even more oxygen than we did the last time we breathed in, and that means we feel great. Oxygen good, no oxygen bad. Sometimes. To wrap up the nervous system aspect here, this technique slowly and gently trains your system to handle a little bit more stress than normal. But as you stay conscious, in control, and relaxed, you don't hit that fight or flight response that can so often be triggered by the lack of oxygen. In that space, there is developmental gold to be found. Training this is something we'll dive much deeper into in later videos, and it can be life-changing. And in fact, it changed mine. There you have it, an experience, the what, the how, and the why. I guess I should leave you with the when. Box breathing is fantastic for when you require calm focus, preparing for deep work, studying, or getting into a flow state. It's an excellent primer to public speaking, performance moments like presentations, nerve-wracking experiences like driving tests, or even a difficult conversation. For the best benefits, practice this 5 or 10 minutes prior to your big moment. Finally, as with any breath work, never practice whilst in a situation in which you could hurt yourself if you lost consciousness. So let's not drive or do this whilst we're swimming, all right? And that's it. Thanks for watching, and remember this next time you feel you could use a bit of calm focus. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Before you leave, why not take a few more minutes to learn about breathwork and deep work with more content from Flown here and here.